At Indexic, we have created aReservation and aWaiver, the all-in-one solution to address your waiver and reservation challenges. We have over a decade of experience serving the tour, activity, and rental industries. We come from the same industries we serve. Our online reservation management system and aWaiver software makes tour bookings, rental reservations, and signing waivers quick and easy so that you can focus on growing your business. Now, automate tasks to focus on other areas of your business. All reservations and waivers are attached electronically for easy tracking and access. aWaiver will link right to the reservation with 4 points of identification, giving you the highest level of protection to keep your company safe from liability. With our free cloud-based software, manage your business on your device, anywhere. With aReservation, your customers can now make reservations at any time with ease and convenience. Manage all your tours, activities, and rentals in a calendar, including all your equipment. aReservation gives you the ability to adjust your prices and times by date and demand, and you can easily cancel or reschedule customers. Manage all your deliveries, pickups, and equipment from any device. Keep track of all your reservations and equipment resources within a calendar. Experience operational efficiency with Indexic. All of our customer service team has industry experience, so they understand your needs. To get started, there are no out-of-pocket costs, no monthly charges, and no contracts. To know more, visit our website or give us a call at 800-742-4781 extension 1.